In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how is Rescale solution deployed into the Chocolate Cloud's software workflow. First, I will create a new component in the Rescale dashboard. Then I will trigger a new static analysis in Bitbucket pipelines. And finally, we will check the output of the SSCG. I will have to sign in. This is the Rescale dashboard. This is currently the producer view, where I can create a new component. I will give it a name, Skyflock email service. The programming language is Python. Here we can see my new component created, and I can start the SSCG generation. The dashboard generated a new access token for me. This is used by the SSCG generator to authorize with the backend and also to assign the uploaded SSCG to my newly created component. So I will copy this token and we will store this as a repository variable in Bitbucket pipelines. Now we can go back and trigger a new pipeline run. For now, this is started manually, but later we can trigger this automatically on each pull request or on each commit. While this pipeline is starting, I will show you the configuration file. This Bitbucket pipelines YAML file is the configuration for the CI pipeline. We have a few workflows here. For now, we want to focus on this Rescale live workflow run. In this script, it will install the CycloneDX BOM library that we use to generate an SBOM from our requirements and dependencies. Then the script logs in to the harbor, to the Rescale harbor container registry. And after that, it will run a Docker command to start the static analysis module. It will pass the SBOM and the source code. It will also use the access token as a secret and pass Python as language info. So the static analysis module starts the Python analyzer tools. And finally, it will upload the SBOM JSON and SSCG JSON, as well as the test reports as artifacts, so we can download them later from the Bitbucket pipelines. And we can now see it's running Suster. Suster is a static analyzer tool that the static analyzer module uses. It can analyze a few programming languages, and we use it to run the static analysis on Python. And we can see that the scan completed, an SSCG has been generated, and also it has been published to the Rescale backend. So we can go back to the dashboard, and after we refresh the page, we can see an SSCG is available now, and we can inspect the contents. This is the generated SSCG. We can check the metadata here, the references. This in particular is the reference to our SBOM. There are also a few null variables. We don't care about those for now. And under declarations and claims, we can see that Suster run a few tools under the hood, and each produce the result. We can check the claims and also the evidence. The content of the evidence is base 64 encoded content of each tool result. The pipeline has now finished, so we can go ahead and download the artifacts. And we can check the contents of the files. Here we can see that Suster ran 3 tools under the hood, and each produced a Sarif file. We also have access to our SSCG and also the SBOM.